Hi, my name is Rebecca Melvin. I was just named Student of the Year here at New Age Spa Institute. I came to New Age Spa Institute to get my clinical aesthetics license and hope to work in a Medi Spa. So I just graduated today and I am hoping to start going out there and starting and working in my passion field and start improving everyone's skin. One of the hardest things that I had to overcome here at New Age Spa Institute was my clinical aesthetics practical, hands-on. It was hard for me, and I struggled with test anxiety and stuff like that, so it was probably one of the hardest things that I had to overcome. And you know, I knew everything, but it was more of just the anxiety of taking it. But everything ended up okay in the end, and I was well prepared, and it ended up being great.